Most of the time we buy green bananas, cook once and keep the rest in the pantry or kitchen, and after a few days we find that the green bananas are ripe. Today I'll be showing you a very easy and simple, flavorful chicken and green bananas recipe which you can save up and cook with the rest of the green bananas that you're keeping in your pantry or kitchen, and everything is going to turn out delicious. For the recipe, you'll need some fresh tomatoes, onions, carrots, zucchini, crushed garlic and ginger. I have some green bananas which are going to make this dish very hearty, coriander, a few spices, and our chicken. You can use free range or the regular chicken for the recipe. I'm going to get straight into cooking by placing a pot over medium flame. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and we're going to start off by searing our chicken. You're going to place your chicken skin side down on the pot. Sear your chicken for around 1 minute or until the chicken gets a very lovely golden brown color. When my chicken is well seared, I'm going to transfer to a plate. The chicken is not yet fully cooked, so next I'm going to add in 1 large onion into the pot. And using the same cooking oil that I used to sear my chicken, I'm going to fry my onions for around a minute until they get a very nice, lovely golden color. And this is going to make the dish very flavorful. When the onions are ready, I'm going to add in 4 cloves of crushed garlic and a thumb-sized ginger into the pot and saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger is very flavorful. I love cooking with fresh garlic and ginger because it adds in a very nice taste. So once the kitchen is smelling incredible, I'm going to add in my carrots, tomatoes, 1 teaspoon tomato paste, and a few spices. So I have some garlic powder, paprika, and curry powder together with 2 seasoning cubes. Toss all the ingredients and add in a splash of water. This is going to help the tomatoes to cook down. Garlic powder is going to add in more garlic flavor to the dish, while paprika is going to add in color. Curry powder is a combination of several spices which make a very flavorful spice. This is after a minute. I'm going to check on my tomatoes and they are slowly cooking down. It's been 2 minutes and my tomatoes are cooked down. I have a very nice thick sauce. So next I'm going to add back my chicken in the pot. Add in my green bananas, squeeze in a teaspoon of lime juice. You can also use lemon juice. Bring the flames to high and add in some water, which is going to help the chicken to cook. Use your spatula and stir in the green bananas, chicken together with the delicious tomato sauce. Make sure all the bananas are fully submerged in the soup so that they can cook through. Add in some salt. Cover my pot and wait for around a minute so that everything can come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to add in some more salt. The seasoning cubes contain salt, so adding in a little bit salt, a little bit more salt is going to fully season the dish. Once your pot comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to medium low and slowly simmer your chicken and green bananas for around 10 to 12 minutes. Check if everything is well seasoned before serving the dish. I still have some fresh zucchini which I'm going to be adding in a few because I don't want the zucchini to overcook. After 12 minutes, this is how my chicken and green bananas are looking, and everything looks so delicious. The dish is well seasoned, so I'm going to garnish with coriander to add in some color and also some flavor. Stir in the coriander and put out the flames. As you can see, the green bananas are not overcooked because they are not falling apart yet, they are cooked. Once you've garnished, you're going to serve your delicious chicken and green bananas, and I've been waiting for this dish to get ready for almost 20 minutes, so I'm salivating. So I'm going to scoop out my very flavorful, well cooked green bananas and place in a plate. I always fall in love with my presentation because just look at my chicken and green bananas. It looks amazing. So this is a dish that turns out delicious and flavorful, and you can serve maybe for lunch or tea.